I got copyright issues on one of my YouTube videos, and this is how I sort it out. In this video, I'll be showing you how to solve copyright issues on YouTube. When your video has a copyright issue, you don't have to delete it. Yes, the first thing is to go to your YouTube studio and check why you have copyright issues on that particular video, and you're going to be solving it immediately. So I'll be showing you a recording on how I solved mine, and you can still solve yours using the same method. One thing you should notice that you need a laptop for it. You need a personal computer to do it, because I started using my phone. I was not able to use my phone, so you need a personal computer to be able to see it well. Or maybe you have to put your phone on desktop mode. If you are using your phone, you have to put it on desktop mode using the browser. But normal YouTube Studio cannot actually do this this thing I'm going to be showing you. So let's dive into the video right now.
You can see my page here have there's copyright issues. This particular video showing copyright, so we're going to head up to YouTube Studio now using a PC to edit it. So the first thing you do, you have to go to your channel. So this is my channel, and this is the video that has the copyright issues, this particular one. If you check the video, you'll see that under it you see a music under the description. Let me show you here. So there's a music here, and these people are sharing, these people are taking the ad revenue of this video. Though I don't have ad revenue, I'm not monetized at the point of making this video, but with what I saw, they said whenever this video gets monetized, by the time I meet all the requirements to get monetized, the owner of this music will be taking my earnings. So to remove the sounds, you don't have to delete the video, you don't have to re-upload. So just to remove the sound, just go to YouTube Studio, click on this the icon of your picture, come to YouTube Studio. So when you get to YouTube Studio, go to content. We are going to content, and we just see the video there, and you see that they wrote copyright on it. It's so visible, copyright. This is the only video that has copyright on it. So when you just hover onto copyright, just put your mouse there. It's better you use a system for this, because your phone, I tried using my phone and I saw that I can't even edit the song, just to erase the song or silence it, and I want to change the song. So I'll come to see details, then what happened. See, the visibility is still there, everything is there, but they said this claim does not restrict your video at the moment, but at the end of the day, I'm going to be sharing the ad revenue for this video. If I get one in the future, will be going to the owner of this music. So I want to change it. So I'll just click on take action. So I'll click on replace song. I don't want to erase this, so I want to replace it on that song so that the video will not be muted. So I'll click on continue. Then I already checked this place and I know the sound I want to use. So I'll just type it out. I've already gone through the sounds. So for the sake of this video, I don't want it to be so long. I will just type out the sound I want, or I locate the sound. So it's just loading. So these are all the tracks, and we have your library. So any tracks you use from this place, you are free. Yes, it's not going to give you any copyright issues. So I already checked through these sounds before I made this video, and I've already played them. I saw different sound, and I think I actually like one of them. I will just go with that particular sound that I checked before. So what you do when you have such issues, just check out the sound to see which of those sounds works well with your video. So I'll actually check it out. I'm searching for it now. If I don't see it, I'll just type it out. Okay, see it here, summer smile. I like this sound, and I'm going to use this sound. So I'll just click on add. So I'm using this sound to replace the part of my video that has copyright issues. So then that is how you just do it. Just go to all tracks, select the particular music that you want, and use it to replace that sound. If the sound appear in different parts of the video, just make sure that you go to those parts and you're actually going to edit those parts to add those sounds to those parts. Then as you can see here, there are so many parts of this video that is affected. That dark part, I will just indicate it, the dark brown that has a darker shades, that part has copyright. That is why it's like that. So you have to put use different song that actually fits in to replace those sound in that area. So I'll indicate the darker part. I believe it's obvious, but I'll also indicate it so that you can see it. Those parts have a copyright issue. Just use the sound to replace those areas. Then you are good to go to save it. So after picking your favorite song, I already showed you the song I picked. You add the music to all the places where there are copyright issues. Like now we have copyright issues here, here, and here. So make sure that all the music sounds are all aligned. So let me see if I can actually zoom out so you can see it. So I added like the same sound. I put it into 4 places. So when we are done, click on save. And you have to get all this place. Make sure your preview video is performing a video before confirming, and you just click on confirm changes and allow it to load. This will take time to process, like they said, it will take time to process, and that's it. So it said video editing is in process. This process might take a while. You may leave this page and check back later. We'll update anything or monetization restrictions after your changes have been processed. This video will remain in its current state until the process is complete. So let's see, and when we are done, I'll actually come back and show you my page, my channel. I'll come back and show you my channel to see if the copyrights have left. And yeah, immediately it was worked on and the copyright issues have now left.
So you can see that it's that easy to solve copyright issues. If this video was helpful to you, do well to click on the subscribe button, like this video, and also share to your friends. Drop your comments. What topic do you want me to teach in my next video? Just let me know in the comment section and I'll be attending to it. Love you so much. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.